Well, it happened on a beach in Cape Cod on the northeastern coast of the United States. The frozen carcasses washed up over about 2 days, and the Atlantic White Shark Conservancy, who removed the sharks, believes that the 3 males became stranded and fell into cold shock while trying to make their way to warmer waters in the south. Now, NASA has previously warned that the thawing of sea ice covering the Arctic could disturb or even halt large currents in the Atlantic Ocean. And according to a study published in the science journal Progress in Oceanography, these changes also have the potential to impact the migration routes that sharks and other marine species have taken in the past. Now, why are sharks so important? They're apex predators, which means they don't have predators of their own. So if they disappear, the whole predator-prey balance dramatically shifts. This will affect the ocean's health. For example, fish, coral, and algae population control, which means the ocean will produce less oxygen. Now, that has major implications for the survival of other species. And sharks are important in other areas too, such as tourism-based economies and medical research, but shark populations have decreased up to 90% in recent years due to extreme fishing, 100 million killed each year. And sharks are not the only animals that are vital to our ecosystem that are at risk to climate change. About 2 weeks ago, these 18 turtles, stunned by freezing cold temperatures, washed up on a beach all the way down in Galveston, Texas. Fortunately, they were saved, and some of them have already been released into warmer waters offshore. In fact, turtles are so sensitive to climate that the gender of their babies is determined by the temperatures of the sand and the eggs that they're laid in. And many other species that are impacted by climate change, you can see polar bears here. There's only about 20,000 of them left. Penguins, corals, butterflies, plenty of other species, and of course, us human beings.